Hello friends, welcome back to our channel and you are watching our cute kitten playing with a small block. This one is Loki. Loki is playing with Manu's toy.
My toy! Nino.
থাকো একটুক্ষণ খেলো।
My
He's cute.
well. Here.
Manu got a toy back.
Well,
Now he is playing with a fishing rod. It's of plastic. Manu, phone বন্ধ করে আসো যাও. It's a bad habit. Go. No, you are watching cartoon. You didn't switch off the cartoon. Go and switch off the cartoon. Just press middle button. Go. Yeah, Manu. Go. Will you share me? No, this is mine. This one is Diamond. And he is playing with a red block. All the cats are very cute. Take this block. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching and don't forget to press the like and share button. And please follow our Facebook page and our YouTube channel Anaman Baby. Bye bye. Thank you for watching.